Most people think you need a business, rich parents, or crazy luck to have $100,000. That's not true. You can start with exactly what you already have: your 9-to-5 job, your paycheck, and your next decision. In this video, we're going to break down how an ordinary salary can become your first $100,000, step by step. No get-rich-quick tricks, no complicated finance jargon, just simple moves that anyone who's serious can start today. If you're serious about hitting 100K, stay locked in. This video might be the turning point for you. Stay with me till the end, because I'll give you a simple 3-step action plan you can do tonight after watching this video. Your 9-5 is not a trap. Your 9-5 is a money machine. Most people use their job to pay bills, upgrade their lifestyle, survive until the next paycheck. Rich people use their job differently. They see their job as a tool to buy assets, not just stuff. So first, mindset shift. Your job, your starting engine, not your final destination. Your paycheck, fuel to build your first $100,000. The question is no longer, how do I survive until next month? It becomes, how much of this paycheck can I keep and grow? Once you see your job like this, everything changes. If this mindset shift hits you, tap the like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Let's talk about the number. $100,000. It sounds big. It feels far away. So we're going to break it down. Imagine you aim to reach $100,000 in 5 years. $100,000, 5 years, or $20,000 per year. That's about $1,667 per month. Now it doesn't feel like a dream. It feels like a target. From this point on, you don't just save money. You are building your first 100K fund. Give it a name in your mind. My Freedom Fund, my 100K fund, my Escape the Rat Race account. Why? Because when your money has a name, you're less likely to waste it. Comment the name you're giving your 100K fund. Make it real by putting it out there. Before you invest, before you do side hustles, you need to know where your money is actually going. Take one evening and do this. Write your monthly income, your salary, any extra income. Write your fixed expenses, rent, utilities, transport, food, debt payments. Write your leaks, random food orders, subscriptions you forgot, impulse shopping, entertainment. Most people are not broke because of one big thing. They are broke because of 100 small leaks. Your goal, find at least 10 to 20% of your income that you can redirect. If you make $1,000 a month, 10% is $100. 20% is $200. That doesn't sound like much, but invested consistently, it's the start of your $100,000. Here's one habit that separates people who build wealth from people who stay stuck. They pay themselves first. Most people do this. Get salary, pay bills, spend whatever is left. Maybe save. Wealth builders do the opposite. Get salary, immediately move a fixed percentage to savings, investing. Then live on what's left. Even if it's just 10%, automate it. Set up a separate savings or investment account, an automatic transfer the same day your salary arrives. Why automatic? Because your willpower is weak. Systems are stronger than motivation. When you pay yourself first, you're telling your money, you work for my future, not just my present. Saving is step one. Investing is what actually builds your $100,000. Think of it like this. Saving protects your money. Investing grows your money. With a normal 9-to-5, you probably won't save your way to 100K quickly, but you can invest your way there. Some simple paths people commonly use, depending on where you live and what's available. Low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the stock market, retirement accounts offered by your employer. Simple long-term investment plans through your bank or broker. You don't need to be a trading genius. You don't need to predict the market. You just need a long time horizon. Consistent monthly contributions, low fees. Even a few $100s a month invested for years can grow far beyond what simple saving would do. This is not personal financial advice. Always check what's available in your country and do your own research. Most people try to make more money by jumping from job to job, but your fastest raise might be right where you already work. Use your 9-to-5 as a launch pad. Become the go-to person. Learn skills your team needs. Solve problems no one else wants to touch. Make your manager's life easier. Track your value. Keep a list of projects you improved, money saved, money earned, time saved. Ask for a raise with proof. Don't just say, "I've been here a year, can I get a raise?" Say, "Here are 5 ways I've increased value for the company. Based on this, I'd like to discuss adjusting my salary." Even a 10-20% raise, if saved and invested, can dramatically accelerate your path to $100,000. You don't need to quit your job to earn more. You just need one extra income stream. Ask yourself, what skills do I already have? What can I do for 5 to 10 hours per week? Examples: freelancing, writing, design, editing, coding, online tutoring or coaching, selling digital products, remote part-time work. The key rule: don't upgrade your lifestyle with this extra money. Let your 9-to-5 pay your life. Let your side income fund your 100K goal. If your side hustle makes even $300 a month and you invest that consistently, that's $3,600 a year working for your future. On your way to $100,000, there are traps that can slow you down. Lifestyle creep, bad debt. Comparing with others. Every time you're about to spend on something big, ask, is this helping my $100,000 goal or slowing it down? You don't have to be cheap. You just have to be intentional. If you've watched this far, you're not just interested in money. You're serious about changing your future. So here's your simple challenge after this video. Write down your $100,000 goal and the year you want to hit it. Decide what percentage of your income you will pay yourself first. Choose one action. Cut one money leak. Start one automatic transfer. Research one simple investment option you can start with. If this video helped you see your 9-to-5 in a new way, do 3 quick things. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more simple videos about finance and investing. Comment below. What's one change you're going to make with your next paycheck? Your first $100,000 won't come from luck. It will come from the habits you start today.